Hello po. I recently got a package from Kimstore, and this is an Apricot OTG for USB-C devices. Ayan po, it's from Kimstore, at I got it from Kimstore and delivered through QuadX through COD. Cash on delivery, and their store address is from Valenzuela City. Actually, I have already opened this earlier today. This came in probably about 7 days, so from Valenzuela to Bukidnon. This one is a warranty slip. Ayan, warranty slip. USB-C devices 64 GB. Unit price, this is 890 pesos. And it has a 3 months warranty. Shopee Kimstore. Okay, so this is my first OTG USB device, or do you call it a device? Yeah, it's a device. Brand is Apricot OTG for USB-C devices, built to last. I did not open it yet, so I was going to make an unboxing for this product. Okay, so it's a genuine product, Apricot use only original Apricot products for quality assurance. Beware of counterfeit. 64 GB. What else? Built to last. This can be used for smartphones, tablets, laptop, iMac. Exclusive zinc alloy material. Tiny and lightweight. Stream movies or music files direct from this OTG. And take the Apricot OTG USB-C everywhere. Bring your music, photos, videos, and important files with you on the go. Apricot USB-C OTG for Android devices safe, keeps your files, and grants you easy access wherever you go. Apricot OTG is the one to trust your files with. Storage capacity 64 GB, working temperature -10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Material zinc alloy plus ABS. Default file system is exFAT. Open it. Let's see what happens. It's super lightweight, like that. You can easily carry it around. Thank you so much, Kimstore. Super love it. So I haven't tried it yet, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna do another video about this. Let's see if it works properly. Thank you. And if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button and share it.